And the results are perfect, no bubbles, no fuss. The prep kit includes an alcohol wipe, a dry cloth, and sticky dust removal stickers to ensure a clean, dust-free surface for perfect application. First, we use the alcohol wipe to degrease the surface. Then, we clean it with the dry cloth. To remove any tiny dust particles, we use the sticky paper. Personally, I prefer using the largest one. With gentle motions, I clear away all the dust. Simply place the frame over your phone. It's perfectly sized to keep the screen protector in position. Then gently pull out the plastic strip to finish the installation. You can swipe your finger from the center downwards to avoid bubbles, but I didn't need to because the protector adhered perfectly and evenly right away. By the way, there's a plastic strip at the top that needs to be detached from the frame. You will see two dots at the top and one at the bottom. Gently pull them off the plastic frame. Once the frame is removed, carefully peel off the top plastic strip. If there are any bubbles, you can use the hard card to remove them. Finally, your phone is ready to use. I received this as a gift and I'm thrilled with it. It covers the screen edge to edge, with no gap between the protector and my case. The small cutout at the top matches my phone's design perfectly, unlike my previous protector. It installs super easily in 1 to 3 minutes and doesn't show fingerprints, barely any at all. Highly recommended. I'm really impressed with it.